Hey everybody, Josh from Populi here, and summer's great, but I think we all feel that it's missing a little something. The oppressive mayhem and unrelenting pace of the school year. If you're looking to fill that void, you've come to the right place. This is a thing that we notice lots of Populi users have a little more time over the summer and feel like digging in. There are features that you've always meant to get a handle on, and now you have time to do that. We have links down in the description for everything that we mention here. And at the end, I'm gonna point out some areas that people tend to focus on as they dive into things during the summer. First, check out the knowledge base. This is your first line of defense. Whatever you're looking for, it's probably covered there. So click help in the upper right of Populi to get there, and then you can search. We also have these getting started articles that you might find helpful, even if you're not getting started. They're going to have the most structured approach to Populi so you can see where your gaps are. Second, you can hit up our YouTube channel. All of our instructional videos are there, and we have playlists for, say, roles like faculty or academic admins and registrars. Kind of similar to the getting started documentation, we have longer videos that go in depth on setup required to whatever the subject is. So setup required to generate transcripts or something like that. Those videos take you through everything you need to do in order to, say, process financial aid. Here's a helpful YouTube tip. You can search within just our channel. So when you're on the channel on YouTube, you can go to this magnifying glass and search. So you type transcript and then you'll see the available videos about transcripts. Third, those first two suggestions are great, but maybe you want to communicate directly with a human being. Great way to do that is via our focus sessions. Those happen in hour-long Zoom meetings with a few other Populi users and one of our support reps. They present on a particular topic like an intro to admissions, so you can learn a little bit about the software with them. Then you and the other users in the session get to ask questions and dig into whatever you're interested in. Our focus sessions rotate through 7 topics, so if you miss that admissions focus session, it's going to be looping right back around. And of course, for specific questions, you can always submit support requests in our help desk or via email, and you can call the support line on our contact page. If you're still looking for other training options, we recommend touching base with your Populi account manager, one of the folks on our side. Okay, let's talk about specific areas that folks might have saved to explore during the summer. Maybe you're faculty and you ran courses last year, but you know there's a lot more you could do to beef up your course in Populi, kind of streamline and straighten things out. We have tons of documentation about courses, so you can search for that in the knowledge base. Then we have a video and a focus session that's all about running courses. Maybe you're an academic admin and you have the basics of your courses set up, but you haven't nailed down your degree audit. We've got documentation on the degree audit, a video about the setup required to use the degree audit, and then a focus session that drills into the degree audit. Perhaps you're a financial admin and you've got things worked out pretty well with your tuition schedules. That's chugging along more or less automatically. But maybe you want to finally think through how you'd like to automate your fees. We have videos all about fees and fee rules. Okay, go get them, dig in. Have a beautiful summer. I've been Josh for Populi and you've been great. Thanks for watching.